The 5 ranked product is SetPower FC15 Portable 12V Refrigerator. -4-68 Fast Cooling Car Refrigerator. 15L 15.8 QT Car Fridge Portable Freezer with 12/24 of a volt DC and 110/240 of a volt AC. Electric cooler. Black and gray. 15L with AC adapter. Review score 4.5. Review count 317 ratings. Price $139.00. Customers like the cooling ability, size, and functionality of the refrigerator. They mention it's very efficient at keeping cold, fits nicely in the trunk of a small SUV, and works great for road trips. Some appreciate the build quality and portability. Customers dislike no info. The 4 ranked product is F40C4 TMP 12-volt refrigerator. 20 quart, 18L, portable freezer, 12 volts car fridge, -8-50, compressor cooler for camping, road trip, travel, van, truck, RV, boat, outdoor, home, 12/24 of a volt DC and 100-240 volts AC. Review score 4.5. Review count 2061 ratings. Price $179.99. Customers like the refrigerator's performance, size, and value. They mention it works well on AC or DC, is convenient for travel, and fits perfectly in the trunk space. Some are satisfied with the noise level. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on temperature retention, build quality, and power consumption. The 3 ranked product is Car Fridge Portable 12 volts Refrigerator 19 quart, 18 liter, 12 volt Freezer Compressor Cooler 12 volts, 24 VDC 110-240 volts AC for truck, van, RV, camper, SUV and home use. -18+15. Review score 4.6. Review count 230 ratings. Price $179.93. Customers like the temperature, functionality, and size of the refrigerator. They mention it keeps items cold, works very well on long trips, and is compact enough to sit in a Jeep Cherokee. Some also appreciate the quietness and build quality. Customers dislike no info. The 2 ranked product is Astro AI 12-volt car refrigerator. 12 volts portable freezer camping fridge cooler. -4-68, with 12/24 of a volt DC and 110 volts AC for car, RV, truck, van, boat for camping, travel, fishing, outdoor. Review score 4.6. Review count 1235 ratings. Price $159.99. Customers like the cooling speed, functionality, and ease of transport of the refrigerator. They mention it keeps items really cold all day long, maintains an accurate temperature, and is easy to travel with. Some also say it's super quiet and perfect for traveling. Customers are satisfied with the value for money and ease of use. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on the storage capacity and build quality. The 1 ranked product is Bujay RV 12-volt refrigerator 12 volts car fridge 23 quart portable freezer compressor cooler 12/24 of a volt DC. 110-240 volt AC for truck, van, RV, camper, SUV, travel, camping, road trips, tailgating. -7-50. Review score 4.6. Review count 3,417 ratings. Price $189.99. Customers like the cooling speed, performance, and value of the refrigerator. They mention it works well, is quiet, and is worth their investment. Some appreciate the compact size and portability. Customers also like the travelability, build quality, and ease of use. Customers dislike no info.
In the shadow